So here we are at Idler Lane, 1107 Idler Lane, right at the edge of the city limits of Greenville. The boat dock and boat ramp is at the end of this lane, so it's convenient for boating access. And into the front door, here we go. Cute, cute, cute living room with all natural wood floors. Nice plaster cove ceiling. Ceiling fan and light. And look at these great windows. They're all newly replaced vinyl windows. And on to the kitchen. It has a laminate wood floor. And the appliances are included. Refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher. And then we go through what used to be a back porch, but they have finished it off into a nice work area. Our computer station, office. There is a brick wall to the end. You could put in a wood stove down here. Underneath the carpet there is a type of ceramic tile, fireproof, that would be suitable for putting a wood stove back here. And this is an exterior door out to the carport. And this goes on to a 3/4 bath and laundry room. And out the back door, you have your nice big garage. And 2 acres of ground to do with as you would please. Here we go up a step and the 3/4 bath. Nice 3/4 or shower, oversized shower. Nice sized bathroom. And then off this hall is the laundry room with the furnace and washer and dryer. And electric water heater. And lots of storage here. Okay, back through the back porch that has been finished off, through the kitchen, and we'll head back to the bathrooms for now. Not bathrooms, bedrooms. Again, wood floors, natural, original wood floors throughout the hallway and all the bedrooms. Here's the other door to the laundry on the other side. As I mentioned, flows through to that 3/4 bath off of the back porch, back area. And again, lots of storage space. You never can have enough of that. One of the first bedrooms here. Again, the wood floors. Closet. Nice oversized closet. onto the second bedroom. Again, look at these nice windows. I just love it. This is one of their son's bedrooms, and he has chosen to turn the closet into his computer guru area, and has put a chifforobe here to the side for his clothing. Again, lovely wood floors. And this is the master bedroom. Again, nice windows. And they have chosen to not build in a closet. They just have sort of a chifforobe here for their clothes. And then they have opened up this bathroom to be a master bath. Again, wood floors. With window and stool. And a full tub with shower. So this house is just cozy and warm and waiting for you and your family. Neat as a pin. There's hardly anything that you might need to do to it. And it's conveniently located just 2 minutes from the schools, but at the very outskirts of the city limits. It is in the city limits of Greenville. It is on a septic system, but it does have city water. So consider this for your new home, for your family.